Hey guys, Brandon with Blue Pig Lumber Works here. We're currently moving into a new shop, downsizing a little bit, and in doing so, I went and cleaned everything out and found out that I never gave you part two of the steamboat remains. Those were dug out of the Etowah River and put on the display at the Rome Area History Museum. This is going to be a real super short and sweet video. I hope you enjoy it. Everything's fast forward because it's just a lot of vacuum and a lot of cleaning, but I wanted to get it out because I owed it to y'all, and to be honest, I forgot. So like I said, a whole bunch of brushing and cleaning and vacuuming and rinsing and brushing and cleaning. And this is at 500% speed, so that lets you know what we got to work. So that's an hour of footage y'all just watched in the cleaning. Um, like I said, it was a very super long process. Now you get to watch us unload it. I almost got hit by a truck here. About took my bum off. I was not very happy with this. So the guys helping me here are the museum staff from the now closed Duke Museum of Military History. Going through the Rome Area History Museum was such a long piece, just right for 13 feet. Bear crawling it the whole way because it's way too heavy to pick up at about 400 pounds. Process artifacts on display, trying to wiggle through there. It was a slide of nightmare. Sorry for everybody having to stare at my small bum at this point, but sorry, you'll get over it. Outside of using acid to clean rust off the metal, towing this thing on a trailer, trying to strap it down without putting any indentions in it, right here is probably the single most nerve-wracking point, as a $500,000 worth of antique weaponry, firearms, and everything else. So, and not knowing if the table was actually going to support the weight or not, luckily everything turned out okay.
If somebody put on this table, I'm just going to go around it.
Let's pick up this end. Maybe that way. Just this end.
Okay, just make sure you don't put it grid. Right there. Okay.
You know what we can do?
And there it is, all done. It's on display at the Rome Area History Museum, downtown Broad Street in Rome, Georgia. Go in, check it out, and look at everything else that's there to view. Y'all stay safe and have a great day.